Welcome to WealthMap, Wealth Simplified. Today, we're covering the 7 biggest investing mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect time. The truth is, markets move constantly. The best time to start is today, even if you start small. Mistake number 2, chasing hot stocks. What's hot today often cools off tomorrow. Stick with a diversified strategy instead. It's better. Mistake number 3, paying high fees. Management fees can eat into your returns over time. Always compare before you invest. That's smart. Mistake number 4, skipping an emergency fund. Without savings set aside, you may be forced to sell investments at the wrong time. That's not a good thing. Mistake number 5, not using tax-advantaged accounts. IRAs and 401ks give you tax benefits that speed up compounding growth. Compounding growth is very good. Mistake number 6, skipping asset allocation. Without a plan, emotions drive your moves. Decide your stock-to-bond mix before investing. You need to know your risk tolerance. Mistake number 7, changing your plan during market dips. Volatility is normal. Sticking to your plan beats panic selling every time. Download your free beginner's investing checklist at wealthmapco.com newsletter, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Wealth Simplified.